Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in physics class. We are studying reflection of light and today we are going to start the topic spherical mirrors. So see here, what is a spherical mirror? A mirror which is made up of a hollow spherical glass. A mirror which is made up of a hollow spherical glass is called a spherical mirror. This is also known as curved mirror. This is also known as curved mirror. Okay. Suppose children, there is a hollow spherical glass we have taken and it has been cut. Suppose this is cut from here. Okay. I have taken two parts of it. To make it a mirror, its one side should be polished and other side should be left for reflection of light, then it will become a mirror. So this is called a spherical mirror because it has been taken from a spherical glass. Okay, a hollow spherical glass has been taken and from that it has been cut. Its one side is polished and other side is left for reflection of light. That is why this is called a spherical mirror. Since its surface is curved, that is why this is also known as curved mirror. And from the figure you can see that if from outer side it is polished and inner side is left for reflection of light, then this is one type of mirror. And if inner side is polished and other side is left for reflection of light, then that will be the second type of mirror. It means you can say that there are two types of spherical mirrors. Types of spherical mirrors. Number one, concave mirror, and number two, convex mirror. Concave mirror is which one? The spherical mirror in which concave portion is left for reflection of light. That means a spherical mirror in which outer side is polished and inner side is left for reflection of light is called a concave mirror. Understood? This is the concave mirror. Why? Because its outer side is polished and inner side is left for a reflection of light. Is this clear? And just opposite will be the convex mirror. A spherical mirror in which inner side is polished and outer side is left for reflection of light is called a convex mirror. Okay, see, this is the convex mirror. Understood? This is the convex mirror and this is the concave mirror. This one is convex. If convex portion means outside portion. If convex portion is left for reflection of light, then that will be convex mirror. If concave portion means inner side. The inner side is called the concave portion. If concave portion is left for reflection of light, then that will be called a concave mirror. Understood? A spherical mirror is a part of a sphere, hollow spherical glass, and there are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now we will learn some terms related to these mirrors. Okay, pause the video and note down these things. Now we are going to study some terms which we will use in the spherical mirrors. See here, the first term that you will use is center of curvature. See children, what is the center of curvature? Suppose one sphere we have taken, and from the sphere one concave mirror and one convex mirror we have made. From a hollow spherical glass, one concave mirror and one convex mirror we have made. We are going to learn center of curvature. Okay. Children, this hollow spherical glass has a center. It has a center. A sphere has a center. That center of a sphere will be called center of curvature of this spherical mirror. For this spherical mirror, the center of the sphere will be called the center of curvature. The center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. The center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. Is this clear? This is denoted by capital C, and the sphere from which the mirror has been made. For that mirror, the center of a sphere will be called the center of curvature. Now, second term you have to learn is the radius of curvature. See, what is the radius of curvature? We know that a sphere has a radius also. Suppose it is denoted by capital R. So, the radius of a sphere will be called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. For this spherical mirror, the radius of the sphere will be called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. Understood? the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of the sphere of which mirror is a part. Understood or not? The radius of the sphere will be called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. For this spherical mirror, the radius of the sphere will be called the radius of curvature. Similarly, for this spherical mirror, the radius of the sphere will be called radius of curvature of this mirror. Okay? Now, next term we are going to learn is pole. Pole of the spherical mirror. So, children, we can see that from here to here, this is the spherical mirror. If we find out the midpoint of the spherical mirror, like here, in this case, suppose this is the midpoint of the spherical mirror. That means geometrical center of a spherical mirror is called its pole. Okay, but on a spherical mirror, somewhere will be the midpoint. That midpoint on the spherical mirror will be called the pole. Okay, see here. The geometrical center of a spherical mirror is called its pole. Okay. It is denoted by capital P. Radius of curvature is denoted by capital R, and center of curvature is denoted by capital C. Okay. It is denoted by capital C. The next term that we are going to learn is principal axis. Simply this is called axis also. Axis of the spherical mirror or principal axis of the spherical mirror. So children, suppose this is a concave mirror we have taken and its pole is here and center of curvature is here. If we join center of curvature and pole, we will get a line. If we join center of curvature to pole, we will get a line. That line is called the principal axis. It means you can say that the imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and pole of a spherical mirror is called the principal axis of the spherical mirror. You have to learn all these definitions because some definitions come in examination also, and without learning these you will not be able to form the image formation, or you cannot do the numericals also. That is why this is very compulsory or necessary to learn the definitions. Understood? Now again pause the video and note down these things. Now we are going to learn the next term, which is called the focus. Focus of a spherical mirror. See, what is the focus? Suppose we have taken a concave mirror. This is the principal axis, this is pole, and this is center of curvature. If we take a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will pass through a point on the principal axis, and that point will be called the focus. A ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through a point on the principal axis, which is called focus of the spherical mirror. Now take convex mirror. See here, this is the convex mirror, this is the pole, this is the center, and this is the principal axis. Okay, again take one parallel ray of light. A ray of light which is parallel to principal axis. A ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will be reflect back. Now if we increase it in another side and the back side, it will appear to come from a point on the principal axis. A parallel ray of light after reflection from convex mirror comes back or diverges back, and it appears to come from a point on the principal axis, which is called focus. Is this clear? What is the focus? Focus of a spherical mirror is that point on the principal axis from which a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection either passes through or appears to come from that point. Understood? If you are asked focus of a concave mirror, if you are asked focus of a concave mirror, then you will say that, see here, focus of a concave mirror, then a ray of light parallel to principal axis after reflection from a concave mirror passes through a point on the principal axis, passes through a point on the principal axis which is called the focus of the concave mirror. Is this clear? The point from where the reflection of light will pass, the reflected ray will pass, the point on the principal axis from which the reflected ray will pass, will be called the focus of the concave mirror. Okay, is this clear? This line must be parallel to the principal axis. Similarly, if a ray of light is passing through the focus, then after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. If a ray of light is coming from focus and reflecting from the concave mirror, then after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay? Now see, focus of a convex mirror. Focus of a convex mirror. So children, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection through a convex mirror appears to come from a point on the principal axis which is called the focus of the convex mirror. Understood? In the case of convex mirror, the reflected ray appears to come from a point on the principal axis. After reflection, the reflected ray appears to come from a point on the principal axis. So that point is called focus. Is this clear? This is the focus of a concave mirror. This is the focus of a convex mirror. But if you are simply asked, what is the focus? Then both the definitions you have to combine. After combining both the definition, you will tell. See how? A ray of light parallel to the principal axis. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a spherical mirror after reflection from the spherical mirror either passes through a point, either passes or appears to come, either passes or appears to come from a point on the principal axis, on the principal axis which is called the focus of the spherical mirror. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a spherical mirror, after reflection from the spherical mirror, either passes or appears to come from a point on the principal axis which is called the focus of the spherical mirror. Understood? If focus of a concave mirror is asked, then you will write the reflected ray passed through the point on the principal axis. But if you are asked the focus of a convex mirror, then you will write the reflected ray will appear to come from a point on the principal axis. But simply you are asked to focus. In this case, you will combine the definition of concave mirror and convex mirror, and then you will write the proper definition. This is the proper definition of the focus. Understood? You must learn all the three, otherwise remember this technique. If you have to write simply focus, then both will be combined, otherwise both will be written separately. Okay? Again pause the video and note down these things. Now we are going to learn focal length. See children, what is the focal length? Take one spherical mirror. This is the principal axis. This point is P. This point is focus. This point is center of curvature. Children, always remember the distance between focus and pole. The distance between focus and pole is called the focal length of the spherical mirror. What is the focal length of a spherical mirror? The focal length of a spherical mirror, the focal length of a spherical mirror is the distance between pole and focus of the spherical mirror. Understood? It is denoted by a small f and its unit is meter. Okay, because this is a distance, so its SI unit is meter. Now here one noted point is there for you. Focus lies between pole and center of curvature at the midpoint. That means focus will be at the midpoint of center of curvature and pole. Focus will be at the midpoint of the distance between pole and center of curvature. It means you can say that what is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length. Radius of curvature we have studied. This is the distance between pole and center of curvature, because this is the radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere is called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. Means the distance between pole and center of curvature is the, understood or not? What is the radius of curvature? distance between pole and center of curvature. And what is the focal length? Focal length is the distance between pole and focus. And we know that since focus lies between pole and center of curvature, it means radius of curvature is the 2 times of focal length. Otherwise, focal length is half of the radius of curvature. This is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length of the spherical mirror. Radius of curvature is double of the focal length. Otherwise, focal length is the half of the radius of curvature. Okay.